Science is not about claiming absolute truth, but about the pursuit of truth through evidence and discovery. Ibig sabihin po, when current theories are disproven, it doesn't mean science was wrong. It means it has progressed and learned more. This approach contrasts with belief systems that may resist change or questioning, tulad ng revealed religions. Hindi po ako atheist pero kung gagamit lang po ng critical thinking at reason ang lahat, mawawala ang paniniwala sa pantasya ng revealed religions sa mundo. Kaalaman at katotohanan po sana ang paigtingin.